The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily again on the dollar every single day. Not actually every single day, but we'll see. I missed kind of doing this show every single day. So, but today is a special day. Bitcoin is up 4%. It's breaking certain resistance towards the upside. It's, mooning 4.2% up right now. Altcoins are a little bit lagging behind, but that's normal when, Bitcoin is having these, moon moments. So, right now everything looks nice. We are getting really, really close to this, top up here at 66,999, 67,000 give or take, depending on which exchange you are on. And life is good right now. How's everybody in the chat doing right now? Not that many viewers in the chat because no notifications are going out because I did 3 videos yesterday. But some people are here. Asraf is here. Asli, Urban Thomas missed the intro. Yeah, I missed the intro as well, man. It's such a good mood, builder every single morning. Techno Viking as well in here morning. I don't know, guys, if you know who Techno Viking is, but go to the YouTube, type in Techno Viking. Not his channel, but just the video that pops up #1 if you write Techno Viking. It's like 1990s, no, 2000s thing, The Central Plan was up. Relaxation Spas is here. Cody Price, Billy Bob, Acid, and Adnan, humble crypto, and yeah, those are the guys. Michael is also in the chat spamming the stuff. Let's pin that. Because Michael doesn't pin anything. I don't know why. We missed you too, Tia. Yeah, that's nice. The reason I like these morning streams is because it kind of gets me going in the morning, and now I've been stopped doing it for a while, and I'm not totally in the mood to do anything else. Like my old schedule is off the racks. Anyways, guys. We are actually a music bed from Croatia. Techno Vikings. Oh, that's good, man. That's good. But yeah, okay. Check the Techno Vikings and check the Techno Viking. There are Vikings and Viking. Techno Vikings. We are actually music band from where I'm gonna check you out, man, afterwards. Okay, guys. So the show today is basically gonna be. There are no news. I don't know if there are any news. Not this one. Don't mind this one. News. Coin Telegraph or something like that, right? Incoming New York major wants crypto taught in schools. Yeah, right. They didn't teach you anything about economics. Or suddenly they're gonna start teaching you how to overthrow the government. No. They're not gonna do that. Blockchain metaverse startups, no. Top 5 cryptocurrency to watch this week: BTC, DOT, Luna, AVAX, Eagled. All good ones, guys. Pro tip: all are good. AVAX looking fine, Luna looking fine, but Luna and Eagled are a little bit slow. DOT looks good, AVAX looks good, BTC. You are looking at BTC, it's doing nicely. Everything is nice. All of these 5 coins good. By the way, who is recommending these? Crypto quants here just said Bitcoin whales are selling, but this is not resulting in a breach. Yeah, the majority of the market participants. Who is giving the, let's see here. I'll check where's it below. The Polkadot resistance. Yeah, who is saying this? Like, who is the analyst who is saying this? AVAX, Eagle. Nah, like, who's the guy? Who's the guy saying these things? I want to know the guy. I know you write about it, but really poll are also projected said this year instead March, June next year. Current bull run is unlikely to top out in December. He said the current bull run is unlikely to top in December of this year and may extend to March, June of the next year. Now that would be best. Guys, if this happens, you're gonna have the best bull run ever in the history of the bull runs. It's unlikely to top out in December of this year, but may extend to March and June next year. Now that's gonna be, and Paul, but I don't know about, Paul. He's not that big of predictor, but is this in this bullish backdrop online stuff? I may remain focused on the short term. So I don't know who is the guy who analyzing these things. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. As you see, guys, you know, everything's going up, so everybody is calling some kind of targets. Batch guitar, what? Bitcoin Daily is back? No, it's not back. We are just testing the waters because Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. Nice green candle for each. Yeah, nice green candles for a lot of coins, but VeChain definitely has a nice green candle. 8% up, super nice green candle. Going to this resistance at 0.17. Okay, guys, let's do the Bitcoin Daily. Let's start with the Bitcoin Daily right now and talk about the technical analysis on the Bitcoin Daily. The first thing you'll notice on the chart is the big red candle down there below the actual price candle. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this big candle? Now, these big candles did happen before, but right now, out of the breakout, they did happen really nicely towards the upside, and you know, we are pumping. Good morning, TLA. Thanks for the heads up last night on Patreon. Change portfolio a bit, paid off big time. You're the best. For all out there doesn't have TLA Patreon yet, do it. There you go, guys, from the words of the Patreon. You know, yesterday we did, yesterday we had 2 videos. We had daily altcoin video on the Patreon, and we also had an extra Patreon video. Because, you know, it was looking so good, you know, it had to be said. It had to be said. You know, it was beyond, you know, a doubt that this is gonna happen. So Bitcoin is breaking out of this triangle. The triangle has pretty decent target towards the upside. I think we are reaching it right now, give or take where the target is gonna be, right? You know, there are different ways to do this, but around 70k should be the first target to reach on this move. Right now we are halfway there, so we still got like another, what was that, another 6-7% more to go to the target. The target is definitely in this area up here. You know, somebody might put it a little bit up, a little bit below, but I think around 60,000-70,000 here in the middle here should be the target for the next move towards the upside. There is absolutely nothing wrong with Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you on the daily chart how nice this looks. Now, past couple of days, and we have been a little bit worried that, you know, this level down here might breach, and it has been you know, big world, you know, it has been a thing that, you know, that might happen, but you know, it could not be breached. The level of around 60,000 could not be breached, and we tried so many times to breach this level on the downside, guys. We tried so many times to breach this level on the downside, somewhere around here, give or take this area up here. But it depends on how you draw it. Like this is the first time when we created the support down here, and then we tried to break. This is the only time where it broke and right back up again, and then tried. Like it just doesn't go. It just doesn't want to break this level, right? Just doesn't want to break this level. Also, this very nice level of support down here, ascending support here, was holding really nicely, even down here. And once this happened down here, guys, here it was really I think I understood that this is not gonna be breached down here. I'm gonna explain to you what happened up here on another chart up here. You see a lot of lines here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart down here, and I'm gonna explain to you what happened and how this was actually looking. We were actually having a 4-hour live stream when this was actually going on. It was down here. This was going on. We are having a 4-hour live stream. We are waiting for the dump on the downside. Now the dump never came. All of these support lines, all of these lines that you see here were holding. So all of these support lines were holding like, you know, madman, and we could not breach on the downside. We could not breach on the downside. Now after the stream, this actually went all the way below the last level of support, 6,500, and I said if we go below this level, it might be, you know, all hell breaks loose. We go down some kind of 58 levels. Now as soon as we came there, right back up again, and once this happened, once we came right back up again from under the support towards the upside, I think that was it, guys. I think that was it, and that was like the final like nail in the coffin. I said like, no way we are breaching it. This was the last try. This was the last try breaching the 60k, and when we failed to do that, like there is only as much times you can try to break a certain supports, guys. There's only so much times you can try to break certain support, and you can see here as well a little bit. There is only so many times you can try to breach certain support, you know, and eventually, you know, you gotta give up. You gotta give up because, you know, the support is not breaking. The support is not breaking, right? So the support was legit. It was good. Then we climbed on the 4-hourly time frames above all of these moving averages up here. Went a little bit sideways up here, then bounced out of the triangle, and right now pumping towards the upside, towards the target around 70k. 60. This is right now 70k up here. but sorry, 67k, that's the all-time high, and then, you know, I think we're gonna go towards 70k pretty fast right now. So this looks very good. You can see also on the daily time frame that the reason I was a little bit worried that we might drop down here, because we had what it's called evening star doji here. That's a reversal pattern. Then we closed below 10 and 20 moving average. Then we tried to dumping it down, but we could not push down. We even pushed with this wick on the downside and then right back down up again below the moving averages, and then we pumped above the moving average. Once this happened, that was done, guys. That was done. It was more or less given that once we close back above these moving averages, it's you know, that means that support is holding and we can continue towards the upside. So, you know, we tried a lot, you know, doing a lot stuff here, you know, breaking on the downside, could not do that. Right now going towards the upside, the target is around 70,000 give or take, and the volume is looking nice. You know, the volume will pick up, this on the daily time frame, the volume will pick up over time. It just needs a little bit time to go. You can see it when you get into some kind of consolidation phase, you get the volume going down. That's a very good thing, because right now the volume can actually start going back up again, right? So everything looks good, guys. You can expect a mainstream to start kicking into high gear into the crypto. Everybody will start noticing. Yesterday, actually 2 days ago, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you 2 days. There is Norwegian paper, there is Norwegian paper, financial paper, and this one, right? And this is the biggest Norwegian financial paper. They had 2 Bitcoin articles. I didn't say this to anybody, but they had 2 Bitcoin articles down here. Where was it? Yesterday or day before that? Where was it? This month. So it was maybe on Friday or something like that. Where was it? Bitcoin 60. You can see here they have the ticker on the top is Bitcoin. Here it is. Those that you know think Bitcoin is going to zero don't know what they are talking about. This is the first article. This is the first article. Coupon Crypto, you know, started. Those who think that Bitcoin is going to zero don't know what they are talking about. The next article is, you know, about this mayor in New York that wants Bitcoin. So there were 2 Bitcoin articles. I think this was on Friday. When was this? 6th November. Yeah, it was Friday. It was Friday, Saturday, 6th November. So 2 Bitcoin articles in a span of a very, very short time. And that was also a very good indicator for me to think that this is going to the moon, right? You know, why are they shilling Bitcoin suddenly, you know, out of the nowhere? Suddenly, like, they don't talk about Bitcoin for so long, and then suddenly, like, Bitcoin, you know, bam, bam. So guys, the Bitcoin looks definitely good. We're also gonna do altcoins today, guys. The reason I'm gonna explain to you why. The reason I'm doing this live stream today, because I thought I'm gonna, you know, every day I need to do a lot of, you know, altcoins for, you know, for YouTube. You know, Cardano, XRP, VeChain, Matic, Solana. You know, sometimes, you know, a couple of, sometimes a lot of coins. So I thought I might, you know, make a live stream, do all the coins on live stream, and then just cut out from the live stream, you know, just cut out from the live stream the coins. But now that I'm thinking about it, that's not as a smart thing. Can I record at the same time? If I click, let me try this. Like, if I click record, will my stream stop? Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop recording. So I've been streaming and recording at the same time. Let me see here if I can actually. Let me see if I can actually record and stream at the same. Because I can do that, then I can, you know, then I can do the stuff that I want to do, right? Let's see, raw, stop, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I can record and I can stream at the same time, so that's good. So guys, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do a lot of altcoins right now, and you know, we're gonna have a little bit chat. Martin H, TLI golden rule. When support is tested 6 times or more, it becomes godly support. It can't be broke. Yeah, that's the rule, guys. That's the rule. Where is the rule? It's somewhere up here. That's the rule, guys. That's the rule. If the support is you know, being tried, you know, broken like a dozen times, at one point, you know, it really cannot be broken, right? There we go. This is the rule, guys. TLR rule: the more the price touches the line, the likely it will break the line. That's true. Like if you see something like down, like it's gonna break. But unless we touch it more than 6 times, then it's like godly support, resistance of century, unbreakable force of nature. So you know when you try to break something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times or something like that, like come on, give up. You know. Your audio sounded weirdo. Sound like you were in a barrel. If I do the start recording, yeah, but that's because, you know, I played back the thing. You need to bring back this 9 AM streams. Yeah, we're gonna see about that. We're gonna see about it. If I can do this today, if I can make all the altcoin video on the live stream and then, you know, just copy it out, and I figure out that works out, then I might actually continue doing it. So we're gonna see. Yeah, I know a few guys that record while live stream. Yeah, Jordan, you know the crypto crown cave, he started doing that, and I was like, hey man, let's do that. Let's do the analysis live stream, and then just cut the video so I, you know, don't have to do it, you know, all over again. 3 trillion broken, guys. People are saying that 3 trillion broken. Let's see here about Bitcoin. It's not the dominant chart that we wanna see. We wanna see market cap. This isn't the market cap. This is the wrong chart. Big gap up here, guys. On the CME future chart. If you are afraid of the gaps, start believing in the gap. There is actually no gap. This is the week. Coin cap. Let's go to the coin cap, guys. Let's go to the coin cap. Coin cap, guys. Coin cap. Let's go see coin cap. And we are at the global crypto market is 2.86 trillion. I don't know who's saying 3 trillion. 2.86. $2.86 trillion. Wife is texting me. Tila, brate, your time streams are most valuable. Of course they are most valuable. Do you know why the 9 AM streams are the most valuable streams and nobody gets why these streams are the most valuable? Because, let me show you up here. Let me show you on the 4-hourly chart. I'm gonna show you on the 4-hourly chart. On the 4-hourly chart, right after the daily close, you have 2 4-hourly candles, 2 4-hourly candles, and the last 4-hourly candle right now during the winter times that are around 9 AM. So these 2 4-hourly candles, you know, do pump the price a lot towards the upside or downside, and you know, always after the daily close, there is a lot of action going. Before the daily close, there is volatility is very slow. Think of it like the, you know, stocks markets, you know, from Monday to Friday it's open, but, you know, during the start of the day there is a high volatility, and during the end of the day the volatility is very low. Now, the same thing goes over here on Bitcoin. After the daily close, the volatility kicks up in high gear. A lot of stuff happens, but oftentimes it happens in the opposite direction of the direction that you're gonna go to. So oftentimes you do not know right after the candle closes which way direction is gonna be. You know, you need the price to stabilize a little bit, and once the price is stabilized a little bit, around 2 4-hourly candles, you can figure out for the rest of the day how the market will actually turn out and stuff like that. So these 9 AM you know, streams can actually tell you a lot, and you know, also you can also see, you know, which altcoins are performing, not performing, stuff like that. You don't get the initial pump, but you know, you already know the direction maybe for tomorrow or day after. So yeah, around 9 AM the streams are like the golden XRP to the moon. By the way, wifey, if you are watching, pressed enter too early. We want to type 3 trillion broken this week. Must be excitement. Yeah, must be excitement. I mean, 3 trillion will be broken soon. Definitely, you know, we'll see that, but, you know. Okay, let me start this recording. By the way, how is my voice when I'm recording? Is it fine? I hope it's fine. If something is wrong, my stuff, you know, tell me, because I need to do this while you know, live streaming. So we're gonna check out Cardano over here, and start with that. Koinski said XRP is a technical card of 4.5. Well, I said technical target. I'm gonna show you technical target of guys. I'm gonna show you technical target of technical target of XRP. Technical target of XRP is there we go. That's the technical target of XRP. I don't know if that helps you much, you know, and how you're gonna chart this, but that's the technical target of XRP. Okay, let's go back to Cardano right now. Can we do the intro as well, so I don't have to, you know, copy paste this on the intro. XRP will surprise everyone. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. We gotta do the intro and everything, like, so I don't have to do the videos again. Okay. Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? This is actually recording from the live stream, so we're gonna check out what's happening with Cardano right now. And Cardano is looking very good. Bitcoin is pumping like crazy, so you know, we wanna know what's happening with Cardano. Why is it not pumping 10%? Right now Cardano is 0.7% up. It is kind of lagging a little bit behind everything else, but I saw the BitBoy video yesterday. He was, you know, shilling the Cardano and other coins. You know, I said like this is big accumulation phase. Now it's really hard to think of it as anything else than accumulation phase, because it's literally going sideways and it's about to pump. I think it's about to pump, and we will know that we are pumping once we break this level up here. Right now that level is around 2.13. You can see this yellow line. This is the 50 moving average. We're coming really close down here to the bottom down here, where you know, where we have to break it, and soon it's gonna be the time to break it. Now let's just remove a little bit here and zoom a little bit more in up here. You can see here that the candles are actually going up. For the past 3 days we managed to get it back above the 10 moving average, right now climbing slowly towards the upside. Now how long this move towards the upside is gonna take, it's difficult to tell. Like I can still tell like there's like 2 more weeks left, because there is definitely some kind of triangle going on over here right now, and it has to, you know, get out of this triangle towards the upside. Now when this actually will happen, it's hard to tell, but I can tell you this right now. I think without shadow of the doubt that, you know, Cardano's turn will come. It will pump like crazy, because if Bitcoin pumps, there is no way Cardano cannot pump. You understand that? XRP is pumping, you know, doggy coins are pumping, everything is pumping, everything is getting ready to pump. How cannot Cardano pump? Like, you gotta explain to me, how cannot Cardano pump? Understand? So, you know, eventually Cardano will pump, it will do good, and I will tell you what's gonna happen. Now, on the 4-hourly time frame, you'll see that it's getting ready for this. It already made some kind of bottom. This was the last dump, guys. This was the last dump. This is what we call, you know, capitulation dump. So we dumped down here, we made some kind of bottom, rounded bottom down here, and then we are right now making second rounded bottom down here. So we got a bottom, we got double bottom. You know, I don't know if you wanna draw a very nice bottom down here, maybe some you know, some lady down here with legs up here in the front. I don't know, she's sitting on some chair. There is some chair down here, right? Yeah, so this is double bottom down here. And then she got very nice, like, I think down here in the back. Nah, that's nice. So it's some kind of double bottom that's happening here. This is the support. I don't think we're going down any more than this right now. After the latest Bitcoin pump, you know, that is really hard to say that it's gonna go any further down. So this looks very nice. This looks like it's gonna pump soon. When is actually soon? You know, soon can be, you know, today, tomorrow, doesn't matter. Soon can be pretty fast, but it does look very nice. And you know, this is the resistance it has to break, guys. This is the resistance it has to break. Wait. This is the resistance it has to break. This right over here, 213. You can also look at it. You can also clean up everything and just use this 50 moving average. Once it breaks 50 moving average, done, because 50 moving average right now is at 2.13. Once it breaks this is gonna be done, guys. This is gonna be done. Volume also kicking a little bit down, but that's fine, because we are right now in some kind of sideways motion up here, so the volume is still falling down. The more the volume is falling down, the better it is for price, because all of this consolidation period always results in a volume falling down. It's only when we start breaking, going towards the upside, you'll see a volume kicking in, you know, and exploding towards the upside. So it does look good. It's gonna happen. Come back tomorrow, same time, same place. You know, we're gonna do another one of these Cardano updates. This is a recorded live stream, so you know, I'm sorry about if it's a little bit different, but you know, that's what you get. Check out the links down below. Subscribe to the channel if not subscribed. Hit the like button. That's it. And that was the Cardano thing. That was the Cardano thing. Bottom on chair pattern TII. I can actually just stop recording. I can actually just stop recording, and then I can just like paste entire thing, right? So I don't even have to cut the stuff. Tila, can you put on granny hat and glasses? No, it's not happening, Microsiphon. It's not happening. Bottoms up. Tila is getting distracted. Yeah, Tila is definitely getting distracted. I need to check if this, you know. By the way, how is my voice when I... Koinski said XRP is a... I don't know if that helps you much in the front. I don't know. You can also clean up everything. You just use the here. No way upside. It's the 7% up. How will target of right now? As well, script intro. Cop everything. Okay. A late adopter. Yeah, it worked nice, guys. It worked nice. So we can continue doing this. I'm gonna just change the name to a 2021 11 8. Yeah, so we're gonna do like live stream, and I'm gonna just do like bunch of stuff. Inception. Hey man, no drink today. Oh, I got my coffee, man. I got my coffee. Coffee is you know, on the... Make a sound border so you can simply press a button with a standard answer. I don't get it. What do you mean? Make sure to write it out. No, I don't have to. I just, you know, start. I can just look at this. I can just press record, and right now I'm starting recording, and as long as I'm recording, it's going fine, and I can stop recording whenever I want. Like this. 3, 2, 1, done. There we go. So, you know, and right now I'm starting recording, and as long as I'm recording, it's going fine, and I can stop recording whenever I want. Like this. 3, 2, 1. See, and right now I'm starting recording, and as long as I'm recording, it's going fine, and I can stop recording whenever I want. Like this. 3, 2, 1. So it's nice. So I can record a video while I'm streaming, so it's fine. So we can do this all day long. I can make videos, we can chat, you know, we can look at what's happening. Please check Doge is going off 7.37%. Yeah, it's nice. The Doge is going off definitely. Yeah, it's gonna go around to 2.9 or something like that up here. I think you know, it had to go. I was checking out yesterday. It had to go because yesterday on the daily time frame, it managed to get back above that 20 moving average up here. On the 4-hourly time frame, it was just keeping this 50 moving average down here. This was where the close was. Where was it? Yeah, here was the close open, right? No, yeah, here, down here. So it started pumping after the, you know, daily close. It was just about to break all of the moving averages up here. And on the 1 hourly, that was the 200 moving average down here, exactly down here. That was the daily close. So I was looking here, it was, you know, kicking up here on the door, and I knew like it, you know, it had to go. But you know, when Doge goes, it always does the, you know, these big bad moves, because you know it's Doge, you know. And if you have been following Doge lately, you will know that Doge has been performing very well. Doge has been performing very well during this sideways movement on Bitcoin. So all the time while Bitcoin has been going sideways, and you know, even to the downside and upside, Doge has been performing very well, especially in the latest moments. So even though Doge has been, you know, going towards downside ever since the first initial dump down here, it has been actually performing well. It has been very stable. It hasn't just, you know, been going down. It has been keeping above certain levels up here, been very stable, very nice. And you know, and every time Bitcoin, you know, tries to do something, you know, Doge has actually, you know, did a nice move towards the upside. Doge just bonked the bears. Yeah, Doge this nice. So it does look good. It does. Okay, let's do XRP, guys. Let's do XRP and see what XRP is doing. Okay, are you excited about XRP? Please do SNX. Me happy. It's gonna happen. I mean, there is no way Doge is not gonna get out of the triangle. There is no way Doge is not gonna get out of the triangle while everything else is getting out of the triangle. Okay, there is no way this is not gonna happen. Like there's I mean, if this does not happen, something is wrong with the market. Like, because everything else is getting out of the triangles, everything else is getting, so why shouldn't Doge get out of the triangles? All the meme Ponzi coins are getting out of the triangles, but you know, Doge, the biggest one, is not gonna get out of the triangle. It just doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't make any sense. It just does not make any sense. Bam. Late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the XRP video right now. Somebody in the chat said technical target of XRP from what CK says is 4.5, and I say technical target of XRP is the moon. Now, whether it's actually the moon or not, like, we don't really know, but and how far the moon is, but you know, at least the CK says it's 4.5, you know, so you know, CoinSkid, for everybody not following CoinSkid, go check out his channel out. He's like got like 250,000 subscribers. You probably know who CoinSkid is if you follow my channel, but this is the technical target for CoinSkid. Now, I'm not quite sure about the technical target up there and how you get to that point, but you know, we know that at least the 1.56 is gonna get broken, then we're gonna go up here, you know, gonna go higher and higher, and then, you know, we're gonna pick our targets one by one, right? We do the short-term tech analysis here, so that's nice, you know, so we want to know only the next target where we're gonna end up. So what's been happening with the XRP right now? Well guys, XRP is looking very, very nice. We had two triangles, guys. We just broke everything. We literally broke everything. Now this was the first target on the XRP, right? We broke that. We got you know, managed to hit some kind of second resistance up here, had a pullback down here to the moving averages, to the triangle support, bounced off of that, broke the 1.21 that we said, you know, once we break that we're gonna go higher. We broke that, and right now we are breaking all of these you know, trend lines towards downside. We went almost exactly to 131, the resistance that we have had here for, you know, months, not actually months, maybe weeks, I don't know, maybe even months. We had this resistance up here for a long time, and you can see here the big move towards the upside, towards the resistance itself, and right now having some kind of pullback. So I think this is gonna stay in this range up here for the rest of the day. Now, how the second day is gonna go, will we do it the next day, or will it take a couple of days, you know, until to get to the next level? It's a little bit tricky to answer, but this actually looks very, very nice. You can see this pullback also going down here to 1.16 level. So all of this is making me very confident. This is looking very nice. When you are looking at some kind of coin on a technical analysis basis, you want to see strength in the coin. You want to see something that's good. You want to see something that, you know, when you have some kind of resistance that is getting broken, you want to see that if it falls back, you want to see it hold the support. Because if you have a coin that every time it goes to the support, it breaks the support, and every time it goes up to the resistance, it's kind of you have a really, really hard time to break it and just falls back right back down. That's not strength, that's weakness. Now Cardano, now XRP is showing real nice strength right now, and it's pumping towards the upside. It started pumping right over here above 1.12. We said that it's gonna go right now. There is absolutely zero thing wrong with XRP. Unfortunately, this is not Dogecoin. This is not Shiba Inu. This is not pregnant butt. I mean, it's not Ponzi coin. Unfortunately, this doesn't pump like crazy, you know, right off the bat. It might pump like crazy once it breaks certain levels towards upside up here, but you know, it pumps like 3, 4, 5% give or take, you know, every day. Slow and steady wins the race. I don't know if it's gonna win the race, but it's definitely going slow, steady, you know. And as I always said, this is not a competition, you know. There is not only one guy at the top that wins, you know. Everybody that's in profit wins, you know. How much profit you get, you know, that depends, but everybody wins. So this definitely looks very nice, very nice right now. Let's pop the volume up here, and you'll see that volume should be very low right now because we are still inside these levels up here. You know, mainstream is gonna come in and gonna shoot the volume through the moon as soon as we start breaking this 131 level up here, because we still have to establish ourselves above these levels up here. So I think this is gonna go in sideways motion up here a little bit before we break 131, and then the next target should be 156. Now I'm not no coins kids, we don't predict the targets around, you know, what's gonna happen next year and stuff like that. We only look for the next target that has to be hit, and right now it's 131, and once we break 131 we're going to 156, and after 1.56 we're gonna look for the next target. But this definitely does looks very nice. It's a good day to be, you know, XRP hodler. You can see here on the 4-hourly time frame we did pump a little bit too fast for these moving averages to pick up, so I'm guessing it's some kind of sideways motion up here until these moving averages come to us and then break it and then go a little bit higher up here. So does look very good. I actually no complaints about XRP. Very bullish on XRP. XRP is one of the better coins. You know, not also sure what's gonna happen with the SEC case and stuff like that, but it does look good, it does look nice, and this can continue. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, hit the like button if you're not on the way out, and check out the links down below for the Patreon if that's your thing. You want to know about other coins that are looking good. That's it. And then I press this button and it's done. There we go. Don't think it's gonna win the race, but it's going slow and steady. I don't think, I mean, who knows, maybe it just explodes from, you know, $1 to $10, like that's 10x. Tila said link to 1k end of year, so I went all in. No, yeah, well, you know, people have been saying 1k link end of year like since 2017, so, you know, who knows when it is gonna actually hit the target. 20, 21, 11, 8 XRP. Alright boys, doing Patreons bright and early, record YouTube vids while doing your TLR morning show live stream. Talking about an efficient workflow while you're stuck goals and so do we. Thanks man. You're welcome, Dutch Ring Racing. You're welcome, man, you're welcome. I don't like doing daily altcoin videos because they do not bring in subscribers, but you know, the videos do. So if I can make the videos while I'm doing the live stream, that's fine, you know. I can check you guys, I can get a little bit motivated, you know, and you know, it's good. And after the live stream I can just upload the video and make the Patreon video as well. Please some VeChain. Yeah, VeChain is next on the list, guys. VeChain is next on the list, and we're gonna do VeChain. When you get a chance, can you do Shiba, please? Shiba unfortunately looks very, very bad. I can tell you that. It looks terrible, unfortunately. So here's the problem with Shiba. It doesn't look that bad, but it is very bad. The problem with Shiba is down here. It went into some kind of, you know, pennant up here that it broke on the downside, because it went parabolic, went pennant and broke on the downside. That's fine. And we are looking for some kind of bottom. And down here we managed to get some kind of bottom because it broke the trend line towards the upside. Now, it did pump a lot and it should have consolidated here. So during this consolidation phase up here, the Shiba actually broke on the downside, unfortunately, because to continue going towards the upside, you gotta break this previous level of downtrend, and right now it hasn't broken the downtrend. The fact that this actually broke on the downside, you know, it should go a little bit more to the downside down here. Maybe it's waiting for this 200 moving average. We don't actually know what's waiting for. Maybe there is some kind of new bigger triangle down here that's right now the bottom and it's gonna explode to the upside. But as long as it's not above this level of resistance up here, you know, as long as it's below down here, it really does look bad. And especially after the latest move towards downside down here, breaking towards downside, it just tells me like this is gonna take you know, it's gonna take a while for this to correct. It doesn't look all that good for Shiba Inu. I was having a hopes down here that, you know, after break trend that this might actually, you know, go in here and then break to upside. Unfortunately broke downside, unfortunately, so it does not look good. SLP is at the very bottom. SLP has been a very bottom for a long time. You know, a lot of people talk about SLP. Unfortunately, SLP looks terrible. SLP looks terrible. I know that SLP looks terrible because there was somebody, a guy in the Patreon chat that says, "Hey man, I bought SLP at 9." So he bought it up here somewhere. I don't know where he bought, you know, because it was pumping like 50%, something like crazy. Look, you guys, it was pumped something, not this one. It pumped something, SLP pumped something like 100% towards the upside. Now, unfortunately, it came right back below the resistance. These are the 3 resistance lines. We said it is at the bottom, but this is resistance. Look the weakness up here. First, it pumps up, and then right close below the weakness, below the resistance. So it doesn't show strength by closing above, it closes below. Then it cannot pull back up again. Then it goes back below this level of support as well. This is a very important trend line that it broke previously to the downside. It goes back below the support, right? So unless it can actually do another pump up here and get above these levels up here again, I will say it looks very bad, especially if it breaks down here below 73. If it does the move down here today, it's done. It's basically done. There is no hope for SLP. If it does move on the downside, it's gonna be done, guys. It's gonna be done. But the only hope right now, the way I see it, is bouncing off of these moving averages towards the upside, breaking this resistance and going towards the high. Because this doesn't show like XRP. You break the resistance, you stay above the resistance. We broke above the resistance, but we did not stay above the resistance. We closed below it, and then the next day closed even below the trend down here, and then just went all the way down to the support. Now, if you lose the moving average support as well, there is nothing left that's holding it back. It's not showing straight. Guys, find something else. I know the price is low. I know it dumped a lot, but you know, it might pump, you know, but are you gonna bet your entire bull run on something that might pump? SLP is destined to go up. Remember, I talked the next hour, it pumped 105%. It bottomed, man. Only way is up. We'll see that. Like, I will be very happy for everybody if this gets above, what's that, $1. If this gets above $1 and stays above there, it's good. But right now, it's not staying above there, man. It's not staying above. Yes, no strength, but it will build. I'm not quite sure if it will build. Even this close down here, even let's see up here, the close. You can see here we had some kind of high, and we still got a lower high. Even after a 100% pump, we got a lower high. So we are technically still in a downtrend. So we'll see. I mean, I do hope for you guys that this will actually play out, because a lot of people are thinking that there is no other way to go than the bottom. And like, sure, 1, 2, 3 ties, like we are trying to break this down the downside, and there are definitely certainly some kind of support lines down here. And if it breaks on the downside, it looks it's gonna be very bad. But if it does get support here and manage to bounce up here, I'm gonna be super bullish on it. As soon as we are above 0.1 up here, I'm gonna be super bullish on XRP. No problem. No problem, but we gotta get above 0.1 to be bullish. By the way, somebody actually had a donation up here. 35 ZAR. How much is that? 20 bucks. No thanks. Thanks for bucks, man. I appreciate it. I did super chat for I said please check. Yeah, but it was like 20. It wasn't not even 20 bucks, like $2. Like, come on. Okay, let's check VeChain, by the way, guys. Let's check VeChain. Like, you cannot like super chat $2 and expect me to do stuff when I'm doing other stuff. Like, you understand? I'm not that cheap. It's not like I want to do, but you know, you ask me to do something that I'm not, you know, don't want to do, and you gave me $2, man. $2. $2. I'm not on the street doing TI, man, you know? I'm like, some spare change, man, spare change. I do TI. I'm past that level. So, yeah. I'm gonna be like mid-trade. $20 at least for the TA. I'll pay end of... Bro. Yeah, no, I'm not being mad, but you know, people often, you know, send super chats and they put like $1 or $2 and say like I do stuff like, and you know, I used to do it, but you know, I cannot be you know, bothered to like if something looks good, I want to talk about something, you don't even have to super chat. Hey man, what's happening with SLP? And you know, if I think SLP is interesting, I'll do SLP. But you know, asking me to do some random coins because you're holding some random coins and just giving me like $2, like come on, man, just lost $2 and his dignity and still didn't get his tea. Yeah, I mean, he's asking me to go out of my schedule to do something and giving me $2. It's nice, but thanks for money, but you know, that's it. Okay, let's see what's happening with high-priced escort, not a street corner. Yeah, I'm leveling up. I'm leveling up. I used to do it, you know. I used to do it for $2, but you know, right now, I mean, I'll do it for free, you know, because I like every good hooker will do it for free. Like if a hooker likes you, she'll do it for free, right? But if the hooker doesn't want to do it and you pay you $2, like, she's still not gonna do it. But if you give her some decent amount, she's gonna do it, you know. So I got a price range where I am willing to, you know, go out of the schedule and do stuff. But right now it's not. I miss your daily report. You rock. Neck promotion. Okay, let's do VeChain, and VeChain looks nice, So we're gonna try to do this before we actually started doing the VeChain. I'm gonna make some channels, guys. Let's see where the channels goes. It goes something like this. So we got something called fib channels, and fib channels are really nice. So we're gonna use fib channels up here. I'm gonna do some hourly, daily, or what kind of? Yeah, we can do this up here. So we need to make channels first. Are you gonna do double channels or single channels? I think we're gonna do single channels. No, you know, we're gonna do single channel because, you know, people are a lot more excited about single channel than up channels. So this is a channel that that VeChain is actually going through right now, and it's looking super nice. Okay, we can start the recording, and everything's gonna be fine. Yeah, I can XLM, Sol, ETH, BTC, Link, LTC, and Matic, please. Hey man, that worked once, you know, but not every time. Smash the like button, family. TLI family. Maybe we should be, you know, Crypto got Crypto community. Coinskid got Coinskid crew. Maybe we're gonna call it TLI family, okay? The late adopter family, okay? We are the family, guys. We are the family. What is the right time to buy? I think you missed the right time to buy, man. You missed it by 4%. Please do all. Okay, let's go. Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new VeChain video, and right now VeChain is doing 6.25%. It was actually a little bit higher during the day, so it is looking good. It is looking really nice. This is 4-hourly time frame. I'm gonna explain what all these lines are looking on the screen, but before we do that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check out the links down below. That said, let's see what's happening with VeChain right now. And I'm guessing everybody's very happy. You can see the big moves towards the upside above certain moving averages. You can see the volume down. The reason I'm having the volume up here, I just want to show you this volume that's happening down here. The big moves right now happening after the 0.15 line has been holding as support. So let's remove the volume for a second up here. So there is volume. It is pumping. It is doing very nicely, and we are trying to, you know, go higher up here. I'm gonna also tell you when exactly is gonna be the time that VeChain is gonna go parabolic, and when I say parabolic, I mean it's gonna start going crazy, guys. It's gonna go crazy. As you see before, the 0.14, 0.15 line, a level of the support and resistance have been holding really nicely. Now we don't need 0.14 anymore. This is actually done. We don't need 0.15 either as support, because you can see here clearly that this support held 2 times, and right now we bounce, so we are not going back down to the support. I mean, if we go back down to support, something is not totally right. I think we might have a pullback, but not all the way down to support, because I think that support held. Now when you're going towards the upside, you want to see where the resistances are, not where the supports are. So this actually looks very good, and it's actually going towards higher grounds. So these are the channels, guys. These are the channels, and the channels must be respected. The channels are nice. Whether these are the exactly right channels or not, you know, might be argued, because they are not actually hitting everything on the dollar, but it is in the ballpark area of the channels. So what's happening inside the channels is that we go, you know, up down, like, you know, up down, but we are still, you know, slowly going towards the upside, but we are going up down. It's only when these channels gets broken to the downside or the upside that you start going parabolic, or you lose the strength. So you don't, under any kind of circumstance want to do something like this and break this lower part. That's also where the 200 moving average on the 4 is. So you don't want to go down, lose the support down here, and go towards downside. That would be terrible. So this is like the ultimate support. You don't want to break this right now. I mean, if you break that, like, it's game over. It's game over. So what's gonna happen right now? And VeChain is doing very, very nicely. You can see here on the 4-hourly time frame that we went up, then got support on this 20 and 10 moving average up here, bounced really nicely. So I'm guessing we're gonna consolidate up here. We're gonna be and continue going a little bit hugging this moving average. So sorry, not moving average, hugging this resistance line for a little bit while until these moving averages come and kick us up above the resistance. Once we get kicked above the resistance, it's gonna go really fast. It's gonna go what we call start a parabolic move, and that's what we are looking for. I don't know it's gonna happen right now, or it's gonna happen up here, or maybe next month up here somewhere, but you know, as soon as we break this resistance, guys, as soon as we break this, is gonna go all the way up to the next is around 0.22. That's something like every time that's something like around 30% towards the upside. And you know, how many of these we are gonna break to the upside, I don't know, but this is what's called parabolic move, guys. You know, it goes up here, it breaks, it goes to the next line, it breaks, and then goes faster and faster, and every single one of these starts getting broken. I don't know how high this is gonna go, but you know, this is what we look for after a parabolic move. It starts going slowly sideways, and then starts breaking these resistances to the upside, and starts going just faster, faster, faster until it explodes on the top. You get this parabolic move, you get this, you know, something like I don't know, see up here. You get something like this, right? You kind of go sideways, you know, and then start increasing the move, and then you have this blow off top and then go down, right? Now, whether this blow off top up here is gonna be a lot more vertical than previous blow off, I do not know that, but that's what we're looking for, to know when the VeChain is actually going parabolic, to know when we are actually going into this, you know, mania phase up here. You will know that as soon as we break this yellow line up here. So right now it does looks very good. Bitcoin's up like 4%, VeChain was up like 8-9% today. It's having a small pullback towards downside, but you know, it is looking good, it is showing strength. There is absolutely nothing wrong with VeChain whatsoever. You can see here on the daily time frame holding really nice move above the moving averages, maybe consolidating a little bit here, still waiting for these bigger moving averages to come up and kick us above the line. Now when that happens, that's when the big moves are going to come. But however you look at it, this is been just going towards the upside. There is no big moves towards the upside. Now this has slowly been building up, building up, and eventually it will start breaking and it will just go crazy, guys. If you like that, want to catch up tomorrow's live stream, not live stream, tomorrow's VeChain video, you need to join the Telegram group down below, because notifications on the YouTube are crap. I can only send 2 notifications for 2 videos per day. So join the Telegram group, because on Telegram group you get notifications for every single video of mine. Join the Telegram, and you can also stay there and chat with other people. There is other links down below for the Patreon, and you know, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on the way out and stuff like that. That's it. See you at the same time, same place tomorrow. Bye bye. And that's the VeChain video, guys. That's the VeChain video. Extreme wet bags loaded and red. Extreme greed. Fear and greed index at 85. So it should be at 85. Fear and greed index should be at 85 during this run, man. Fear and greed index should be very, very high, and it should stick high for a long time. Hey Tila, can you do an update on Harmony 1? Yeah, we'll do Harmony 1 as well. Harmony is actually looking very good, guys. I can tell you right now, Harmony is looking very good. I'm just gonna change the name so I don't forget this 211108 VeChain. Harmony 1 is doing very well, guys. Tila team. Yeah, Tila team, Tila family, we're gonna call it anything. 1-800 TLI for life. That's actually a very nice one. I'm gonna use that. 1-800 TLI. You need help, 1-800 TLI for life. Where is the TLI NFT? George has NFT. Yeah, everybody has NFT. Maybe I should start making NFT, man. I'm wondering what kind of NFTs sell. I saw those not safe for work NFTs, and you know, I'm not that into it. Listen to Tila, Benjamin Cohen, CK and Plan B with his very interesting stock to flow, my favorite recipe for tasting ace. Dutch Ring Racing is very good at picking the winners, guys. Dutch Ring Racing knows what's up. I don't know how he knows, but he knows. You can even make granny hat and glasses and NFT. Wish I kept my bag of Harmony. It's too late to wish, but Okay, let's do, which one I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do Harmony. Harmony is actually performing minus 1.5% right now. So let's see what, yeah, so Harmony looks very good. I'm gonna explain to you why Harmony looks very good. Yeah, it looks great. It looks great. Let's see up here. Let's see weekly up here. Yeah, it looks very nice. Let's see the volume up here a second. Yeah, it looks exactly how it should be looking. Let's just see some of these indicators down here on the daily and weekly. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks beautiful. It looks ready. It looks very ready. It looks good. It looks good. Like there is nothing like there is the versions up here on the monthly time frame. Yeah, but if you can continue pumping, it's gonna like I don't think this is any kind of blow off top. So I don't think that's this is done. Also, this 60 is down here, sitting at some kind of low levels. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks very good. Everything looks fine for Harmony 1. So it's just a matter of time before this pumps. What time frame am I gonna start with? We're gonna do on the weekly time frame up here and draw this a line a little bit up here, and this made a pivot point. This actually broke the pivot point up here. Is there a support down here? We already were at that support, so I don't think we're gonna revisit that again. Are we able to find any kind of special target up here around 0.5? I think it's gonna go 0.5. If it does play out, maybe should not. It should maybe something like this. 0.6. 0.6 sounds more like a Harmony number than anything. Big pump, but a big pump to a small pump. So during the uptrend, it was actually lacking in gear. So all of this is actually lacking in the volume. For every pump, there is a decline. Pump decline, pump decline, pump decline. We need to break these levels, and I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah, it looks good. It looks very good. Wow, we went. How much did we go down after the open today? Wow, VeChain was down minus 7% today, which is actually very good. Let's see here on the move. Yeah, I think this is done. I think it's gonna go up right now. Why is it so that it's down here? It's 3.7%. Where is that? This is 4-hourly time frame, so it's daily starts up here at the top. No, it's 3.81. I don't get it. I don't get it. This 5, this one, it should start over here, and the open for this one is down here, so it's only 1.4%. Yeah, it was down 2.50. It wasn't down on the daily. It looks like it was down a lot. I don't get this. So this is the open, and this is the wick down at 2804. But when you go into the 4-hourly, there is no wick down here. There is no wick down here to 0 point something. Like the wicks are down here. I don't get how these daily candles can have these big wicks on the downside. I don't get it. I literally don't get it. I don't know why. I don't know why this looks so weird. Is this 24 hours, something like that? I don't get it. Even 2 days up here. I don't get it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. OMG breaking out. OMG breaking out. Binance. Let's see OMG USDT, bro. I don't know, man. Is this the OMG we are talking about, man? OmiseGO. I don't see a breakout, man. Coins Bureau has really nice videos explaining stuff. I never liked actually watching him, but then he made this Ethereum Classic video, and it was looking nice. OMG BTC. OMG BTC. Well, Bitcoin is going down. Bitcoin is going down, so. But I don't see a breakout versus OMC BTG. He means BTC breakout. Oh, he means. Oh my God, breakout. Okay, I get it. I thought it was me, you know, OMG, BTC. Okay, Bitcoin breakout. Yeah, I get it. But he said OMG BTC breakout. No, he didn't say that. He said, what did he say? No, I just read OMG breakout, so OMG BTC breakout. I don't know. No. Two monkey, yeah. Okay, let's do a video on Harmony 1 because you know it is looking good. I want to explain to people what is happening. So let's do Harmony 1. He did low. Okay, let's start over here. Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the new Harmony 1 video, and Harmony 1 is doing very nicely. Now Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. Harmony is down minus 0.94%, but I'm here to tell you to relax because Harmony has been performing very well lately, and it's gonna right now it's sitting at some kind of bottom. It's just about to pump, and I think this is gonna go above 0.3, 0.35, maybe hit some kind of 0.5, 0.6 target in the near future. At least that's the resistance, you know, a little bit long term. But right now it is sitting down here at the very support level. Now before we start, you have to go and join the Telegram channel because notifications for these videos are not actually going out. YouTube only sends you know, notifications for 2 videos per day, and I make a lot of videos every single day. So join the Telegram channel, you'll get all the notifications for all of the videos every single day. And right now during DAO season and Bitcoin season and all kinds of seasons, you want to know what's happening. So let's see what's happening on Harmony 1 right now. And Harmony 1 is actually managed to get above 10 and 20 moving average on the daily time frame yesterday. You can see here this bleed on the downside. We pumped a lot. This went kind of parabolic a little bit up here, and we had a consolidation. This calls consolidation phase, and during consolidation phase down here the volume should be declining. You can see here the volume is declining, but the price is not actually dropping down. The price is just kind of going sideways right now. It's going to go a little bit up. This volume might actually still continue declining. It's only after 0.35, once we break that to the upside, that you will see the volume actually kicking in. Right now we are also having a breakout down here. We're going to go into the small time frames, and I'm going to show you that as well. But the first thing first, yesterday's candle was a big candle towards the upside. We did not break 0.31, but we did get above the 10 moving average and 20 moving average yesterday, and today we are even holding those levels. So we started the day with a move to the downside, but we are picking back, and I'm pretty confident this is gonna close above the 10 and 20 moving average today up here, somewhere in the range up here, and it's gonna be looking very nicely. Now we can go down to the 4 hourly, and I can explain to you what's happening down here on the 4 hourly time frame. We're gonna start by looking just as this trend line. So after the first, you know, big topping out here, some kind of parabolic move, we went down, went for a second time, tried to go up, could not do that, and started bleeding on the downside. We created this very nice trend line on the downside, and then started going down. Yesterday down here we managed to break that, so this was a super exciting day. Was this yesterday? No, this was yesterday, 2 days ago. 2 days ago, well, yesterday technically, in the very start of the day. We broke to the upside, we went up here, right? But after every kind of breakout, we always get a pullback. This is the pullback that's happening, and this pullback is already finished, guys. This pullback is already finished. It went down to the last, I don't think we're gonna go down to the 200 moving average, but these moving averages, because once you have a big move towards the upside, you're gonna have some kind of pullback, because these moving averages are kind of slow to catch up with the price. So right now I think we are sitting down at the very support level of this on this 4 hourly, on these moving averages, and I see no other way right now than you know, trying to go towards the upside again. It's only after we break this level up here at 0.3109 that we are gonna explode towards the upside, because that's the previous top up here. This only has to happen on the 4 hourly time frame, and we are gonna go up. We are already done with the downtrend. The downtrend is already broken. The breakout already happened. The pullback is finished. The only thing that's left right now is the move towards the resistance, and then continuation, and then after, of course, after we get up here at what's that, above let's put the line up here just so we have a nice line. 0.36, and once we get above the 0.36 up here, this is when the continuation will actually kick in. But right now it does looks very nice. The bottom I think is in for this right now, and it will continue towards the upside. Now let's just go into the small time frame, see here if this there has been some kind of move towards downside down here, but it does not look like it. I mean, you could argue that there is definitely move down here where it broke back to the downside, so it's not ready with this one yet. But these are small time frames, not to be taken into account. As long as we close on the daily time frame above 10 and 20 moving average up here, this should be looking good, and eventually this will continue climbing. Let's see, zoom out a little bit here. What you're gonna see here on this chart is that Harmony has actually technically just been going slowly towards the upside. It's just looking like VeChain is one of these stronger coins right now. There is a line that should be giving us very nice support up here. This one actually got broken, but it should go all the way from the bottom down here. Let's go to the weekly time frame, see how this actually looks. Where are the bottoms down here? Should be something like this. So we are getting up there. Let's see, because you gotta lose all of these down here. So it looks like we are still following the trend towards the upside on the weekly time frame. And oftentimes when you have, because it looks like for 3 weeks we've been going kind of sideways, but we haven't. I mean, we maybe have going for some, but this only happens after you have a big move towards the upside. You have either a pullback, big move sideways movement, or big way sideways, or big way and a slow upward movement. But these sideways moves are really bullish, because just like Bitcoin, 3 dojis at the top. I don't know if you saw the Bitcoin dojis at the top. Bitcoin also had 3 dojis at the top. These are really bullish moves. So we are just waiting for these moving averages to come up here and kick in. But right now, I think after these 3 weeks, I think it's already right now ready to go towards the upside. It does look good. It just needs to move a little bit higher up. It's the big moves are gonna come above the, I think above 0.31. We gotta get above that level. But I think this downtrend is broken. Right now we are having the pullback. As soon as we are above 0.31, this is gonna happen. But it does look good. I mean, how can you not be bullish on everything right now? Because Bitcoin just did 5% towards the upside. It's gonna go to the moon. Everything else is gonna go parabolic. So it's only a matter of time. Like, you cannot be wrong. I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but it's really hard to be wrong. It's really hard to be wrong. If you like this, guys, check out the links down below for the Patreon. Hit the subscribe button, although it does not always help, but it does help with the subscribers. And join the Telegram channel to get all the updates, guys. That's it, guys. Come back tomorrow for new Harmony 1 video, and we'll see what's happening. Bye-bye. Me after suffering 2 fractures and ended up in also. That was a great dip. Check out micropets. Nah, I'm not doing the NFT stuff, guys. I'm not doing the NFT stuff. 08 Harmony 1. Hila, can you do quick on Mover? What's happening with Mover, by the way? Yeah, I gotta check out Mover, because Mover. Let's see this one. Well, it's not loading, so that's not a good thing. What do you think about AMP, Solana, Kadena? Kadena, yeah, we called Kadena after the breakout. That was such a good call. But I'm not on Qcoin, so Cardano. Where is Kadena? I'm not on Qcoin. This is only on Qcoin, I think. Kadena, yeah, Kadena is a Qcoin coin, so not much. But the thing is, I didn't want to be wrong about this, okay? The Kadena went up really a lot, right? It went up really a lot, so I thought this was done. I thought this was, going sideways and it's gonna fall down. But because I did the same mistake with the Matic in the previous bull run, right? So because I thought it was a top and Matic just continue pump. But I said this time, if we break if we break 7 point up here, it's gonna go. So as soon as this candle happened and we started going towards up here, I said to the Patreons, guys, this is gonna go towards the upside, because you know this is a bullish coin, and right now it broke the resistance. Doesn't matter what kind of technique it has, doesn't matter how much it pumped, it's gonna pump more. Look at this, guys. Look how much Kadena pumped after a breakout, man. After a breakout, 261%. So whether it's at the top now, whether it's gonna, you know, go on the downside again, what's gonna happen to Kadena, I don't really know. But it does, you know, it has a big to the upside. There is some kind of doji. If it stands here and starts to follow, maybe it's gonna wait a little bit more on the 4-hourly time frame for these moving averages. It's already sitting at the moving average, so I don't know what's to wait for. Maybe it's just consolidate before another move towards the upside. These things are hard. So you know, when stuff is gonna happen, you know. See here, Doge is hitting the resistance up here at 288. Looks like it might be too late. I mean, there are better coins. I mean, KDI is good, you know, but right now it's, you know, once you start going parabolic, start going, you know, hitting 100-200% towards the upside, you know, everything starts getting really scary, right? Everything starts getting really scary. Why won't the government embrace Bitcoin? They hate the idea of proof of work. I thought that was a serious question, and then I was like, TikTok, joke. It was a joke. But they will embrace proof of stake because they like staking. Have had my coffee, have had my TLI, buy and go to the BC. Some nice North Sea rays out here. So for the menu next. Cheers, man. Thanks for stopping by, man. Have a nice day. Please check out Win. It went parabolic last run. Yeah, I think it's gonna go parabolic again. Hey man, I'm a jokester. Solana Harmony 1. I'm gonna do Matic. Matic. The problem with Matic is not. It is consolidating too much. Matic is consolidating too much because you can see these moving averages are kind of lagging behind. So I think Matic might consolidate. I don't think Matic is looking that good, so I don't want to make video about Matic. Solana might also consolidate a little bit up here. Yeah, Solana is also consolidating. So Matic and Solana are consolidating just too much, guys. It's below the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly. On the daily it's a little bit extended. Is there some kind of, there is a divergence up here. So Solana right now is going through some kind of you know, consolidation phase, and Matic as well. Matic is actually falling. I was actually hoping it's gonna hold the moving averages, but right now it looks like it's falling below these moving averages. So it needs to hold down here at the 20 moving average down here to be nice. XC minus 5%. Wow, I thought this was actually going to go parabolic and it dumped so hard. It was looking so good, so good, so good. It just needs to break up here and then bam. How is this even possible? XC. They like steaks. Dogecoin is performing well. Theta 2%. VeChain. What's good? Maybe we should make a video on AVAX. I never made a video on AVAX, so I don't have big followers on AVAX. Maybe we should do Link. Chainlink is up 3%. Yeah, let's do Link. Because, you know, Crypto has... I don't get it. Nobody has been talking about Link for a while. You know, Link has been performing very well during the bear market, right? Everybody knows that. Link has been performing very well during the bear market, and then during the bull market it went up, but it did not go up that much, guys. Unfortunately, it didn't go up that much. Let's see, from Corona up to the top, it did 2 times of what BTC did. So there are altcoins that definitely did more than Link. But suddenly, right now, for whatever reason, people are talking about Link. And do you know why I'm very suspicious about Link right now? Number one, it's not a big performer. It hasn't been, you know, it does go up all the time, but it's not performing that well. Like, there are better altcoins. But suddenly Crypto is buying Chainlink and going long on Chainlink. And Crypto is in Dubai. Crypto has a lot of followers. Crypto has a lot of big fan base in Dubai. A lot of rich people are friends with Crypto. So I think Crypto knows something we don't know. Guys, I think Crypto knows something we don't know about Chainlink. Because I don't see any other reason for Chainlink to have this much popularity right now. It is boring coin, it is not above all-time high, it is just slowly going towards the upside, but suddenly everybody is talking about Chainlink. CryptoJet bought some Link. Yeah, a lot of people are buying Link right now. Chainlink 2.0, but I don't get it. I don't get why. Even with all the new, I know that Link is you know, popular. You know, it's cooperating with you know, Amazon and Amazon Web Services, and it's used everywhere and stuff like that. But you know, I won't go into technology and fundamental parts of it. But everybody right now is on the Link train, and I don't get it. Everybody is on the Link train, and I don't get it. So, if everybody's on the Link train, you're not bullish enough, Anon. Think all the chains, all the world's data, CET. All the chains, yeah, but Chainlink is all. You know the problem with Chainlink? They were pulling data off CoinMarketCap, the API of the CoinMarketCap, and added it to blockchain. And I was like, oh man, that's so centralized, like that's so easily to manipulate and stuff like that. But you know, there must be something that's pulling data from the real world. So you know, Chainlink is as good as anything, and they have a long run in the business here, so they know everything. So maybe they think it's has more potential to grow because it's lagged behind. I don't know quite why they like. The biggest problem to me is why would Crypto go long on something crappy like Chainlink, right? Why would you go long on Chainlink? It's ranked number 16. It's already got 15 billion market cap. It's not even above all-time high yet, and it's slowly going up. Like maybe because it has like 2 times, maybe it's gonna explode. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't get it. But suddenly Crypto is on the Chainlink train. And Crypto can trade anything. He can trade because he's trading on Bybit and Femex and these and shit. He can trade Bitcoin, he can trade Ethereum, he can trade Shiba, he can trade the Doge, he can trade like all of these coins, XRP, Cardano, like everything. Like but he's trading Link, he's trading Chain. Link partnered with the Associated Press. Let's do a quick search. Chainlink. And let's go to the news. Chainlink price is close to breakout, linked to 50. XRP Chainlink linked price now. Chainlink total value surpassed 75. Can we do tools and sort by date? Which can add break token, Chainlink price analysis, Chainlink price is close to breakout. 3 arrests of crypto Chainlink came in Belgrade Road, Chainlink retest, XRP no Chainlink price side. Chainlink price, Chainlink a blockchain all provides passing 75 billion mark. No. Tulip integrates Chainlink on its Solana based leverage yield farming platform. Okay, so it Chainlink total value, what are sort by relevance, and let's just go to all. Partnerships. Let's say Chainlink partnership. Let's go to news. Associated Press 2 weeks ago. Sports data. Wow, but this is 2 weeks ago. Is this the reason? 2 weeks ago, it Associated Press tapped Chainlink for election sports data, as well as providing race calls data on the 2021 US state election. Apple begin adding macroeconomic and sports feeds to the blockchain. AP goes DeFi. Yeah. War network Chainlink partner create customized and as part with Cody Finance. Yeah, Chainlink is all over the place, but you know, is the price, should the price be higher than it is right now? That you know, CoinCap, should the price, not this one. I think they're paying a lot to be number one up here, because everybody use CoinCap. They're number 16, Chainlink number 16, 15 billion market cap. Like if it goes 2x, it's gonna be 10 around Dogecoin. So it can go 2x, can it go 4x? Yeah, sure, it can go 4x. It can go a lot higher. Maybe that's why people like Chainlink, because it can go like 4x or something like that. So it's gonna be like 100 a year. If it's 100 a year, it's gonna be around like up here at top. I mean, it is very useful. So we're gonna see that. Dogecoin 3, where's Shiba Inu 29? Yeah, sure, why not? Kemi Crypto, Svensson, 11 hours ago, Chainlink CET is about to put your favorite altcoin out of business. You don't even know about CCIP. I don't know about it because information is precious and leak got info. Large institutions will buy info. Yeah, maybe that's the thing, but you know, how high can it go, man? How high can it go? So we gotta think of, you know, Tila, do you use PE ratios in crypto? No, I don't use PE ratio because how do you calculate PE ratio in crypto? Because where is the revenue? We'd like to go back and watch it. CCIP is built on Chainlink's battle tested DON's anti-fraud network developer can now build dApps, tokens, bridges, and wallets to securely incorporate across hundreds of blockchain networks. 1000 link is upcoming reality. It is inevitable. Maybe it is, maybe it is. Please add again, I missed it. Just scroll down in the video or wait until the stream and then we'll upload everything to the YouTube. Okay, let's do Chainlink, guys. Let's do Chainlink. Let's see here. Just as first target, around 60 is the first target, right? And then we'll see. Maybe this looks like Bitcoin chart. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna break, guys. There we go. We found something new, guys. We found something new. It looks like it's gonna go 150 link for sure this time around. Yeah, link might actually perform very well because I'm telling you guys, Crypto is in Dubai. His friends are very rich and powerful. He knows what's in because he's a big star in Dubai. Everybody wants to talk to Crypto because everybody's following on YouTube. He knows something. He knows about Eagle. He knows about Chainlink. So when Crypto buys and sells something, it tells you something. Don't go 100% into that, but do think about why you talk, because I cannot get around it. Why is he talking about Chainlink, you know? I would understand if he talks about Solana or Matic or something like that, like big chains and stuff like that, but suddenly Link and something big is gonna happen with Link. Now look here what's happening up here, guys. Look here what's happening up here. Let's clear up everything for a second and draw the line up here. Maybe. I think when we break this to the upside up here around 37, this might go parabolic because this line is important. This already broke, so it's gonna break this one and it's gonna go parabolic. So that's the trick. And then we got this one up here. It's not respecting it that nicely. This is more respectful. This is around $100 right now. Wow, this trend line is actually something, man. Wow, this trend line is really nice. Wow, this is super nice, man. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, man, this is nice. What was that around 124? Chainlink will go 200. 300% towards the upside, guys. 300% towards the upside, just to hit the resistance, because it's been lagging behind, and since it's so bullish right now, it will go 260%. Is this possible, guys? Look at this, all the way up here, 120%, give or take. It depends on when it hits. Like, it can go high, guys. It can go high because this is the resistance, this is the trend. Let's pull the lines up here. Well, let's use these ones. I'm gonna use this one. I think it's this one up here. It's up here. Maybe it's up here. Is this more legit? Yeah, this looks more legit. You know, when you're drawing these channels, they are not always it's in the ballpark area. It's okay. So once it starts going up here, it's gonna go all the way up to 180. Yeah, but it needs to break this trend line up. There is some kind of trend line up here going on, right? It's gonna go like this, gonna go up here or something like this, and once it breaks that, it's gonna go all the way up to the next one, which sounds plausible. Very plausible. Then this is I mean, 1, 2, 3, maybe you can even say it's 4 or 5. So it definitely undervalued, and once it breaks, like, it's gonna go. I mean, Chainlink is not the only thing that's gonna go do 4 or 5x, blow off top probably 250. I mean, if it goes up here, right, it depends on how fast, you know, a lot of time it used to 130, and if it goes all the way up to the next, it's gonna be 350 or 360. I'm not quite sure about 1000 level. I mean, it gotta go some really insane numbers to get to the 1000, and you know, the market cap will, you know, from 15 billion, it will go to 150 market cap from right now where it is to let's see here. So right now it's $1,000 divided by 33 bucks, 30 times, so 15 billion times 30, 450 billion. So market cap, you know, for Chainlink to become 1,000 end of year, you know, the market cap will hit like 450 billion. So I'm not quite sure about that. Maybe in the next cycle. Guys, if we don't reach the target of BTC now, I'm also gonna be I'm also worried, no tracement anymore only. What target on the BTC? What target on the BTC? BTC is gonna, you know, just continue going towards the upside. Is MM going to Crypto Expo Dubai? Chainlink's team might also be there. I'm following their Twitter feed. I'm sure Chainlink, MM is gonna be somewhere, but you know, the guy is all around the place. He knows a lot of people, so you know, when he talks about altcoin stuff like that, do listen to him, guys. And MM Crypto actually understands, you know, swing trades and stuff like that. There is a reason for why he's making 78k. Whatever you want, cup and handle, bull flag, anything. I think the target for right now is around 70. That's just the target up here, the 70. Once we reach 70, a lot's gonna be done. Then you know, the next target is 80k or whatever. This cup and handle up here is around 80 or something like that, right? So first 70, then 80, then maybe 90, 100, 120 and stuff like that, right? Simple as to be a millionaire and sell every coin token you own and go all in on Link to hold Link like BTC for 18 months. Link is going to 1000x. Wish that was true, man. Wish that was true. It's hard to know what's gonna be and what's not gonna be. Okay, let's do a Chainlink analysis down here. What is the Chainlink? Down here is Chainlink. Let's do Chainlink. just see this, and this actually already getting broken, so it's not that one. Okay, let's go. Bam. Late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Chainlink video, and Chainlink is doing very nicely right now. All these lines on the screen are not that very important. It is going some kind of channel up here. If you go down to the small time frames, like a daily, it is going in some kind of channel up here. It is about to break some kind of resistance. I'm gonna explain to you how this can actually go above $100, and I'm gonna explain to you why I think that's actually very realistic. Now, before we start, do go down, click the Telegram link, join the Telegram group, because notifications for Chainlink videos and all these other videos are not going out, because YouTube only sends notifications for 2 videos per day. So if you want to get notifications for all of the videos, join the Telegram group down below. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and check out the Patreon link down below if that's something for you, right? That said, guys, that's a Chainlink, I think, is gonna be a big thing very, very soon. And I was just discussing right now on the live stream that Chainlink might make it big time, because right now everybody's talking about Chainlink, and that have been following Chainlink since, you know, way below 2018, right? Don't see the big hype, but everybody right now is talking about Chainlink. Now, I'm not a fundamentalist, you know, I'm a tech analyst, so I'm looking at the charts, and charts are right now, I mean, it does look good, but you know, how good is gonna perform? How's good is gonna perform? Now, the big thing about Chainlink right now is that Crypto, if you know who that guy is on the YouTube, Crypto is talking about Chainlink. He's also long on Chainlink, and all the other people are also buying Chainlink. So something big is gonna happen with Chainlink. Something's big on Chainlink, and especially the fact that Crypto, and since Crypto is always in Dubai, he has a lot of rich friends, a lot of guys that are into crypto and stuff like that. You know, he hears the stuff and too about what's gonna happen and stuff like that. So since he is long on Link, because he can go long on anything he wants, but he went long on Link. Something is happening with Link, guys. So we're gonna keep on following Link and see what's happening with Links. Now, what's happening right now with Link is that Link is slowly, steadily going towards the upside above this level of resistance. Once it breaks this level of resistance, it might actually increase the speed and it might actually look good. But this is not the most important stuff, guys. This is not the most important stuff right now. We're gonna remove everything up here, and we're gonna add some moving average up here, so you can see that right now Link is actually slowly climbing towards the upside and climbing the moving averages. You can see here, slowly climbing the moving average. Wants to break these levels up here and wants to go higher. So on the moving averages, even on the 4-hourly moving averages, just slowly, steadily climbing towards the upside. No big moves, no 30% moves or stuff like that, but it is slowly climbing towards the upside. Now, what I'm gonna show you is some kind of target, a long-term target that I think might actually be very fascinating for Chainlink, and I think it might hit that. Because why would, you know, everybody be suddenly interested in Link? But you know, Link has a lot of good news going on out now, and that might actually be very bullish for Link. Now, I want to see one very nice line up here. This line, guys, do you like the line? It's a beautiful line, and Chainlink right now, it's looking like it's undervalued, and it's gonna go all the way back to the line. Look at this line: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits on the line. So this line is very important resistance. So if we go up here, we can you know, we can assume it's gonna hit this line as a resistance. Now, if it breaks the line, you know, target's like, oh, I'm gonna be around like 300-400 or something like that, but you know, we don't want to talk about that. The first target is all the way up here. Now, it depends on when we hit this, you know, the target might actually change, but it is above like $100 up here. It is above what's that, $120, give or take, in the area up here. Should be somewhere the target for the next move, because this is the resistance, guys. Every single time this has been very important resistance, and the next move towards the upside is actually all the way up at around $100. That's something like 200-300% towards the upside. Now, how long this 200-300% move is gonna take, that's the trick. You know, it's gonna be today, it's gonna be tomorrow, it's gonna be you know, it's gonna take you know, 1 month or 5 months. I don't know. Right now, Chainlink looks nice. It is climbing the moving averages. It is going towards the upside. So, you know, the question is when it will actually happen. We can pop some supports, resistance up here. This one at 33.4. This is the most important. I think this is the most important line to break. And you can see here we are hugging. It's only a matter of time before we actually break this to the upside. only matter of time before break this to the upside. You can see here we are getting slowly there, we're getting crushed towards the moving average. Now if we fail to do that, we'll have some kind of pullback and then try again. But I think, you know, right now that Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside, I think more than not this is likely to break very soon. And if it starts doing that, this might be some kind of cup and handle pattern up here. Let's see here on the weekly time frame up here. Like it is as good as anything else, right? Give or take, something like this up here. You can see here even this weekly time frame is showing us these very nice lines. So this might be some kind of cup and handle pattern up here. You can see here, and cup and handle pattern they are pretty easy to you know, use as a target. And the next move should be around $60. Now $60 is only the next move. Only the next move. We saw just right now that 120 should be something like you know, end goal for Chainlink, maybe even higher, around 300 or something like that. But the next move is around $60 once it breaks this these levels up here, because this looks like this is some kind of cup and handle pattern up here forming. And as soon as it starts breaking these levels up here, this is actually around 35, not actually 33, but around 35. Let's go to the daily time frame. You can see it's pretty close. It's ballpark here. As soon as it starts breaking up here, it's gonna break both at the same time. As soon as you're up above here, you know, the next target is all the way up $60. How fast the $60 is gonna go depends, but this to me looks like some kind of cup and handle. It's gonna break it up here. There's no reason to think that this won't break it, because you know everything else is bullish and everything else is going to the upside. So why shouldn't Chainlink go to the upside, right? That said, it does look very nice, you know, and I'm expecting more big moves towards the upside. Now Chainlink, again, everybody is going into Chainlink right now. I'm not quite sure what's happening with Chainlink, but you know, it's very bullish, very good. That said, do come back tomorrow. Check out the video, Chainlink video tomorrow. Maybe it's already gonna break out then. Join the Telegram group to get the notifications, because notifications are not going on the YouTube. Or come back tomorrow to my channel and, you know, find the video. And check out the Patreon link down below if that's something for you, if you don't want to miss all the other altcoins that are pumping and not pumping. That's it. See you around. Bye bye. That's the Chainlink video, guys. Attila, what's your thoughts on Polkastarter? Polkastarter is good. I thought it was gonna pump today. Did it pump today? Where is there? SpeedX minus 3.35. Polkastarter minus 5. Oh my god, every single coin that I thought is gonna pump today has not pumped today at all. It's so weird. You should do this type of stream more often than good. Let's see up here. Let's see up here. This one up here. Chainlink. Start uploading all these videos. So what have we done now? ADA, XRP, VeChain, 1, Chainlink, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's fine. With BTC pumping, I'll take a break. Yeah, I think BTC needs to chill down a little bit and it's gonna be fine. You will do part 2 on meme coins? No, I think I'm done with meme coins. By the way, how's my investment in the SafeMoon going? This is going up again. SafeMoon gonna go. By the way, people are buying Squid coin again, guys. Squid had a big. This is so crazy, guys. This is so crazy. Squid had a big rug pull, and people are still buying Squid, guys. And I think it's actually insanely brilliant. Squid rug pull. Yeah, it did rug pull, but people are still buying it. People are still buying it. Look down here. Look the volume going up. People are still buying it. They're still believing, guys. They're still believing, probably. Look here. I'm just gonna move this out the screen so you can see. See? People are still buying it. It's still going, guys. If you had bought after the rug pull, guys, if you had bought after the rug pull down here, 28,000. If you just saw the rug pull and you bought, you would get 28,000%. Okay. Insane, man, insane. Where do I find these unicorns of people? Yeah, I think the devs of Squid putting money into it to fool people buying in. Yeah, it might be that as well. I mean, it might be that as well. Who knows? You know, these things, is it gonna rug again? Likelihood is there. Might happen. It's a casino, huh? Yeah, it's a casino. Tata, what's happening with Tata? VeChain. Pump it up, coin pumped, so it's not, now it's gonna dump. Yeah. Such a weird coin. Yeah, when you play roulette, everyone expects to lose the chips they bet. Same with Squid. Yeah, it's like 50-50. Either I make it or I don't make it. Put it on red, put it on blue, on green, you know. Good to see you live again. Coffee already. Well, you're too late, like 2 hours too late. So, you know, that's that. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end the stream for today. Thanks for joining, guys. I did make some videos. We did check out the Bitcoin Daily. CoinSkit is in the chat exactly as I was about to, you know, close it. How you doing, man? Tell me more about Chainlink. Why is everybody on the Chainlink train right now? I know you know some kind of fundamentals. I know you're following the talk. I'm not following. I only follow the charts. I don't follow the talk. But you are following the talk. So why is everybody on the Chainlink right now? What's happening with the Chainlink and why it's so popular? Because, you know, I've been following Chainlink, you know, since 2018, and it's been, you know, been just so and so. But right now, everybody's super excited about Chainlink, and I don't get it. When moon? We are on the moon, man. We are on the moon. People just don't realize it yet. We are going past the moon. We are going past the moon. Chainlink, man. 3% up today. Link is the one. I don't know about that, man. I don't know. It might pump, you know, but I don't know if it's the one. Man, all the cool things projects are really kid, but the power of internet is biased towards cats and dogs, meme coins. Adopt, what are your thoughts? Well, it's a bull run. Of course, dogs and cats are gonna pump. In the bear market, we see the real value of things. In the bull market, we see there is overexposure to the value. Link 1K end of year. Yeah, we just checked that. That means that Link is gonna have 450 billion market cap. Now that can happen because, you know, why not? So, you know, it is probable, but how probable is, you know, that's the question. Okay, guys, we are ending the stream there. The Bitcoin is going up. The bull run is on. The bull run ends somewhere here. If we go past this up here, I'm gonna, you know, capitulate, you know, because, you know, this is just crazy. If we go past December, in January, something like that up here, this is gonna go crazy. I think we are done with the up here. So you know it's gonna go like, and then right. That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Oh, moms, just FOMO'd in 100 coins. Mania phase is coming. Oh, mania phase is already here, but you know, mainstream phase mania is coming. We already in mania phase, man. But mainstream is coming. Anyways, man, thanks for stopping by. Everybody else, thanks for joining the stream. Tomorrow morning, 9 AM, we're gonna try to do the same. You know, so we're gonna see. Cheers, guys. Cheers. You know, enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. It's only after we break. What was that? Let's put it down here. We are actually breaking 66, 166 on the daily. We are actually breaking, guys. We are actually breaking. Yeah, looking good, guys. Looking good. Come back tomorrow 9 AM Central European time on the dollar every single day. If you are not getting notifications for this live stream, join the Telegram group where you will get notifications for every single live stream all the time, every single day. Thanks for joining, guys. Come back tomorrow. Bye bye. Cheers. Stop button.